Hello guys, today coin is Cryptoro coin. Price is $0.00967483. BTC is minus 63.3% down. ETH is minus 62.9% down. Low price is $0.90422. $3 price change in 24 hours. That means high price is $0.0259291. Trading volume in 24 hours around $165. Total supply is around 350 million CTRO token. Blockchain is Ethereum. This is contract address. Website is cryptoro.com. We can join on Twitter and Telegram. After that we will enter $1 here, and in $1 we are getting around 103 CTRO token. After that we will come down, and this is its chart. This chart is continuously increasing and decreasing. And Cryptoro, also called Bitcap. Bitcap is a Bitcoin application. Bitcap is working on B2B. Bitcap is very good. Bitcap can tokenization of any company. And what service will you be able to try and acquire with Cryptoro Bitcap? First is non-custodial Bitcoin wallet. Get one more Bitcoin wallet. It is totally free and your capital will always safe, but be careful, don't lose your keys. So thanks to Cryptoro Bitcap for safety. Second is after message. Send encrypted message from person to person with absolute security. This service is specially used for transmitting. And where to find the keys to a safe or any other relevant information in the case of death. And you can send birthday congratulations and private message. Third is recurring payment. Choose your day and amount and the destination with your Cryptoro Bitcap. You can schedule the payment in Bitcoin of your frequent service. Whether you are a consumer, professional or a company, the application that is service open very wide, since it allow only us to do with Bitcoin. And fourth is joint or multi-signature account. Now you can have a joint account in cryptocurrencies with multiple signature. This is perfect for companies, startups or families starting a common investment project in crypto asset. A minimum of two people will verify and approve transaction for the account. Fifth is payment request. It is a BASM type service which will allow to send small and large amount of Bitcoin to any user of Cryptoro Bitcap. Sixth is Bitcoin inheritance. The Bitcoin inheritance service without a notary activates your protocol after a period of inactivity in your Bitcap account, whereby your Bitcoins are passed on the person you decided at the time you subscribe to the services. It's therefore possible to send it to one more Bitcap user. Create the tree at your convenience. Your Bitcoin, your decision. And tokenizing the future. All of these services can require with BTC and other cryptocurrencies, as well as with fiat currencies such as euro, dollar and other currencies. And CryptoCoin CTRO, the native currency for the Cryptoro products and services. You will always have discount on our marketplace. Buying with Cryptoro coin will always be cheaper. And this is Twitter account. Followers is 1675. Cryptoro fintech, Bitcap, Bitcoin services provider, metal commodities, CTRO token, tokenized companies. So guys, cryptocurrency is very risky. Invest in cryptocurrency at on risk. Thanks for watching.